Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I am Charis May Del Monte Nijarda, and at 35 years of age, my birthday is on September 4, 1989, and I am single. I live in Pagadan City, Samongalo Sur, Philippines. I took up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science in Western Mindanao State University, Pagadan City campus. My experience abroad was I am domestic helper in Abu Dhabi, UAE within 5 years with the 5 family members and 2 adults, 3 kids. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning all the house, washing all the clothes, iron, play with them, teaching the kids to their homework or if they need help from me. And also I take care of the baby. I work within one family within 5 years. And recently, I work as a domestic helper also in Oman, Muscat. 2000 from January 2023 to February 2025. The family member are three person, 2 adults, 1 baby. I am with them within 2 years, and I also finished my contract with them. My main duties are cleaning all the house, cooking, washing and iron all the clothes. Sometimes I also clean the car and teach the baby how to talk in English, and also I take care of the baby, but the baby not sleep with me because the baby sleep beside the mother. Um, Mom, sir, I have a strong personality, a loving daughter of my family, and also you can trust me. I am a hardworking person, funny, friendly, patience. I love kids, even though I don't have mine. I am a open-minded person, and I also love to help other people. Mom, sir, I hope that you will give me a chance to work with you as a part of your family, and I promise to finish my contract within 2 years and more than. I want to I want also to respect your family, love your kids, and I am hoping that you will give me a chance to work with you. Thank you, Mom and Sir. God bless.